Kung ikaw'y pinanganak ng February 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, and 29, and March 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, and March 20, ikaw ay born Pisces. According to astrology, you have a 99.9% of winning the lottery. Iyan ang ituturo ko sa inyo, mga amigo and miga. You have extra luck and extra favorable in buying lottery ticket. According to astrology, you have a lot of fortune in your fifth house sign. Increased chance of winning. Mga Pisces sign, you are ruled by planet Neptune and the planet Jupiter. Ito lang ang araw na bibili ka ng lotto ticket para hindi masayang ang inyong pera. Every Thursday or Huwebes ka lang bibili ng ticket. Tandaan, kung ikay nakapalo, meron akong ibibigay 99.9% na mananalo ka sa Luto. Ang Jupiter planet ay malapit sa ating mundo sa taong 2025. September 4 and December 10. Ngad ko ang inyong malaking panalo. Huwag kalimutan magpalo po at pagka inanalo, bibigyan niyo ako ng balato. Follow for more.